I'm Fred with Lightspeed Construction. I'm sitting here with Craig. We did some work for him, I believe, some repair work. I believe Kirby was basically the person you were talking to mostly. If you don't mind, kind of just give our customers an idea of kind of what kind of work we did, because like I said, he was the one that sold the job, so I'm really not completely familiar with it. I know what I did outside, but I'm not exactly sure what they did on the roof. You said there was a leak, right?
Yeah, there were 3 leaks that I had on the roof, and so Kirby came by and he climbed up on the roof. He evaluated where he thought the leaks would be and took pictures of it, made a proposal, and made a really nice little digital platform for it that we could go through and have a meeting,
right,
and discuss it. And then someone came out to do the repairs, and they ended up finding another problem that would erupt shortly afterwards.
Right.
And I'm thrilled that they found this, because
Yeah.
I don't want the problem.
Yeah, especially having to fix sheetrock or having stains on your ceiling, or other damaged goods inside your house. So it's a good thing, and they usually do find more stuff when they come up on the roof, because people don't understand all the stuff that goes on a roof. So so basically from start to finish, were you pretty satisfied with the way everything went down, from the phone call you made to the office to the finished product and everything like that? How was that process for you?
Yeah, I'm thrilled with it. So not only was it expeditious in being done, but also I think it was quite professional with the work that was done. So I thought everything was tip-top.
Awesome.
I'm happy. I'm very happy.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And thank you for your work. Like I said, I usually start these off saying thank you, because without people like you, we don't have a business. So thank you very much. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe and like this, and we'll see you next time. Thank you very much, Greg.
Sure.